Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Bitcoin Traveler. This channel is dedicated to helping complete beginners understand Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, financial freedom, and the technologies shaping the future. If you've ever wondered what Bitcoin is, why people are buying it, or whether it's too late to get involved, you're in the right place. Imagine you had $1 in your pocket. Now imagine that every year, that dollar quietly loses purchasing power. You don't see anyone taking money from you. Your bank account balance stays the same, but somehow everything around you keeps getting more expensive. Food, housing, transportation, entertainment, everything. This is one of the reasons Bitcoin was created. For most of history, money had to be difficult to create. Gold required mining. Silver required mining. Even seashells were limited by nature. But today, governments and central banks can create new currency digitally. When more dollars enter circulation, each existing dollar generally becomes worth a little less over time. This process is known as inflation. Bitcoin was designed as an alternative. Bitcoin is digital money, but unlike traditional money, no government controls it. No company owns it. No CEO can change the rules. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network of computers around the world. Thousands of computers verify transactions and enforce the same set of rules. These computers collectively maintain what is called the Bitcoin blockchain. Think of the blockchain like a giant public spreadsheet. Every Bitcoin transaction ever made is recorded on that spreadsheet. Instead of one company controlling it, copies exist all over the world. Because thousands of computers verify the records, changing the history becomes nearly impossible. People buy Bitcoin for many reasons. Some see it as digital gold. Some use it as a long-term savings account. Others view it as protection against inflation. And some simply believe it will become one of the most important technologies of the 21st century. One of Bitcoin's most important features is scarcity. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Not 22 million, not 50 million, not 100 million. The maximum supply is permanently capped at 21 million. That means nobody can wake up tomorrow and decide to create more Bitcoin. Is it too late? This is probably the most common question beginners ask. Did I miss it? The reality is that most people still do not own Bitcoin. Many financial institutions are only beginning to adopt it. Governments are still trying to understand it. The technology is still relatively young compared to traditional financial systems. Whether Bitcoin succeeds or fails long-term remains to be seen. But what is clear is that we're still very early in understanding its full impact. Bitcoin isn't just about making money. It's about understanding money, understanding ownership, understanding digital scarcity, and understanding a technology that could play a major role in the future global economy. In the next episode, we'll explore why the dollar loses purchasing power over time, how inflation works, and why Bitcoin supporters pay so much attention to monetary policy. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the Bitcoin Traveler, and share this video with someone who wants to understand Bitcoin without all the complicated jargon. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you on the next journey.